I'm Suze.
I'm Cami.
And welcome to Adventures with Suze&Cami. Suze, what are we doing today? We are about to go on a hike with the youth and eat some food and just hang out.
Exploring San Pedro, episode 1.
Cam and Suze. I mean, Cam and Suze. We just found some chickens.
Check
We're gonna
this
take
out.
a look.
Suze is in her glory.
4 hours later, roasty chickens.
It's not good.
Hannah, what are you looking at?
Chickens.
Oh, look.
Roasting the chickens. Nom 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 nom.
He's gonna put it back on.
Whoa.
Whoa.
See that technique?
He might.
Just like, here's that chicken.
Have you ever seen the wonder in the glimmer of first sight? As the eyes begin to open and the blindness meets the light. If you have soul sight, I see the world in light. I see the world in wonder. I see the
We're going on a hike.
Look who we found.
Hannah, moving up the cows.
walking in the light.
Suze, how you feeling?
Pretty good. A little
Hey,
sweaty.
Abs.
Hey!
Dan the man?
Yo!
Jenny? Feeling good out here.
Have you ever seen the wonder in the air of second life?
We made it. There was some slipping.
Just a little bit.
There was some stepping and poop.
Drank some questionable water.
But we have arrived at our destination. Look at that gorgeous waterfall.
It's beautiful. And it's cloudy and it's just nice. And we're about to eat some food.
Oh yeah, look at that. The pastures. Life is good.
Come on up the waters, the only one left behind. If you have soul sight, I see the world in light. I see the world in wonder. I see the world in life, bursting in living color. I see the world your way, and I'm walking in the light.
This just in, Suze's feet are crusty.
Look at this. Crust. Back from my glory days of soccer. I don't know what happened. It's me, Miss Carver. You've been looking for me, I've heard.
What do you think, Cam?
Oh,
You pretty
it
pumped?
smells good. I know it's gonna taste good.
Oh, dang it.
No, I phone.
I see the world your way, and I'm not afraid to follow.
So Suze lost in odds and has to jump in this puddle, all right? It went up my legs in the back.
Suze found a friend.
I thought that kind of was, but I guess this is
Yole.
That's a fair for Kate.
Suze, what did you think of our adventure today?
You know, it was pretty good. We both got a little sunburned.
A little bit.
Got to connect with some cool people. Be a little adventurous.
Hike some waterfalls.
Yeah. Stuck our toes in some cold water. Also lost someone to 10 and jumped in a puddle. Saw some really cute cows. I think today we just really experienced the Lord's creation.
Yeah, that was a good time.
Whether that was community or just in nature.
Yep, and there's plenty more to come.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
I'm walking in the light. I'm walking in the wonder. You're the wonder in the wild. Turn the wilderness to wonder.
It's been a long but good day.
We need to shower.
Look at this.
We need to find Wi-Fi
An aloe.
and the brownie.
Brownie Alamo from our favorite little cafe.
Squinty eyes because I'm too tired.